Number 11, which graph best represents the equation x plus 2y equals 4? So there's two ways to graph it. You can graph it by hand using the x and the y-intercept. So that would be using information that for the x-intercept, so where the line crosses the x-axis, the y is 0 at that point. So if I substitute a 0 in for y, we would get x equals 4. So I have one point when x was 4, where the y was 0. And then we do the same thing basically for our y-intercept. If I want to know where does the graph cross the y-axis, that's where x is 0. So we substitute a 0 in for x. And here we get y equals 2. So when x was 0, y was 2. So when I want to graph this, I go to 0, 2, and 4, 0, and then I can connect those points. Also keep in mind that you can use the graphing calculator to graph or just to check your work, make sure that you're getting the right answer. But what you need to do first is solve all of your equations for y. So I would minus x, and then divide by 2. So we get y is negative 1/2 x plus 2. And then now that it's solved for y, we can go over to our calculator. Hit graph, and then you can match your graph to your options. You see that C is the choice that had the points 0, 2, and 4, 0. And if you're checking your graph, you can also press the yellow button and then press graph, and that will give you a table of points too. So when x was 0, y was 2. That matches here. And when x is 4, y is 0, that matches there as well. So a couple ways to do this.